Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of clinical trials and manufacturing. Clinical trials are the backbone of medical innovation, ensuring that new treatments are safe and effective before reaching the public. But how do these trials work and what happens after a drug is proven successful? In this video, we'll explore the journey from the laboratory to large-scale manufacturing, breaking down each step along the way. Whether you're curious about how medicines are tested or how they're produced for millions, you're in the right place. Let's start by understanding what clinical trials are and why they matter. Clinical trials are research studies performed in people that are aimed at evaluating a medical, surgical, or behavioral intervention. They are the primary way researchers find out if a new treatment, like a new drug or diet, is safe and effective in humans. These trials follow strict protocols and are carefully monitored to protect participants. Without clinical trials, we wouldn't have the evidence needed to bring new therapies to market. Now let's look at the different phases that make up the clinical trial process. First phase of clinical trials is all about safety. In phase 1, a small group of healthy volunteers or patients receive the experimental treatment. Researchers closely monitor them to identify any side effects and determine the right dosage. This phase is crucial because it's the first time the treatment is tested in humans. Only if the results are promising does the treatment move to the next phase. Let's see what happens in phase 2. Phase 2 trials expand the number of participants, often including hundreds of patients who have the condition the treatment is meant to address. Here, researchers focus on whether the treatment actually works and continue to monitor for side effects. This phase helps determine the optimal dose and gathers more information about safety. If the treatment shows positive results, it's ready for even larger testing in phase 3. Phase 3, the treatment is tested in thousands of patients across multiple locations. This phase compares the new treatment to existing standard therapies or a placebo. The goal is to confirm effectiveness, monitor side effects, and collect data that will allow the treatment to be used safely in the general population. Successful completion of Phase 3 is a major milestone and is required before seeking regulatory approval. Once a treatment is approved and available to the public, Phase 4 trials begin. These studies continue to monitor the drug's performance in real-world settings, tracking long-term effectiveness and any rare or unexpected side effects. Phase 4 is essential for ensuring ongoing safety and can lead to updates in how the treatment is used. Now that we've covered the phases, let's explore how clinical trials are designed. Designing a clinical trial is a complex process that involves defining objectives, selecting participants, and determining how results will be measured. Researchers must create a detailed protocol outlining every aspect of the study, from how participants are recruited to how data is collected and analyzed. Ethical considerations are paramount, ensuring that participants' rights and well-being are protected at every step. Recruiting the right participants is vital for a successful clinical trial. Researchers look for individuals who meet specific criteria such as age, gender, health status, and medical history. This ensures that the results are accurate and relevant. Recruitment can be challenging as it requires clear communication and trust between researchers and potential participants. Let's see how data is collected during a trial. During a clinical trial, data is collected at every stage, from initial screenings to final outcomes. This includes information on how participants respond to the treatment, any side effects, and overall health changes. Advanced statistical methods are used to analyze the data, helping researchers draw meaningful conclusions. Accurate data collection is essential for the integrity of the trial. Ethical standards are at the heart of every clinical trial. Researchers must obtain informed consent from participants, explaining the risks and benefits of the study. Independent review boards oversee the process to ensure that participants are treated fairly and that their rights are protected. Ethics guide every decision from trial design to reporting results. Before a new treatment can be widely used, it must be approved by regulatory agencies like the FDA or EMA. These agencies review all the data from clinical trials to ensure the treatment is safe and effective. The approval process is rigorous, often taking months or even years. Only after passing this review can a treatment move to manufacturing. Once a treatment receives regulatory approval, the focus shifts from research to manufacturing. This transition involves scaling up production from small laboratory batches to large quantities that can meet public demand. Manufacturing must maintain the same high standards of quality and safety established during clinical trials. Let's look at how this process unfolds. Good manufacturing practices, or GMP, are a set of guidelines that ensure products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. GMP covers every aspect of manufacturing, from raw materials to equipment and staff training. Adhering to GMP is essential for producing safe and effective medicines on a large scale. Manufacturing process begins with sourcing high-quality raw materials. Every ingredient must meet strict specifications to ensure the final product's safety and effectiveness. Suppliers are carefully vetted, and materials are tested before use. This attention to detail helps prevent contamination and ensures consistency from batch to batch. Modern manufacturing facilities are designed to meet the highest standards of cleanliness and efficiency. These facilities use advanced equipment and automation to produce medicines safely and quickly. Regular inspections and maintenance are required to keep everything running smoothly and to comply with regulatory requirements. Quality control is a critical part of the manufacturing process. Samples from each batch are tested to ensure they meet all specifications for purity, potency, and safety. If any issues are found, the batch is rejected and investigated. This rigorous approach helps maintain the trust of healthcare providers and patients. After manufacturing, medicines are carefully packaged and labeled. Packaging protects the product from damage and contamination, while labeling provides important information about dosage, storage, and expiration. Accurate labeling is essential for patient safety and regulatory compliance. Once packaged, medicines must be distributed to pharmacies, hospitals, and clinics. This requires a well-organized logistics system to ensure products arrive safely and on time. Temperature control and secure transportation are often necessary, especially for sensitive medicines. Efficient distribution is key to getting treatments to those who need them. Managing the supply chain for medicines is a complex task. It involves coordinating suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and healthcare providers. Any disruption can lead to shortages or delays, so careful planning and monitoring are essential. Technology plays a big role in tracking shipments and managing inventory. Some medicines, like vaccines, require cold chain logistics to maintain their effectiveness. This means they must be stored and transported at specific temperatures from the factory to the end user. Specialized equipment and monitoring systems are used to ensure the cold chain is never broken, protecting the quality of the medicine. Pharmacovigilance is the ongoing monitoring of medicines after they reach the market. This process collects and analyzes data on side effects and adverse reactions, helping to identify any safety concerns that may arise over time. Regulatory agencies and manufacturers work together to ensure that medicines remain safe for public use. If a safety issue is discovered with a medicine, manufacturers may issue a recall or safety alert. This involves removing the affected product from the market and notifying healthcare providers and patients. Recalls are rare but necessary to protect public health and maintain trust in the healthcare system. Manufacturers are always looking for ways to improve their processes. Continuous improvement involves regularly reviewing and updating procedures to enhance efficiency, quality, and safety. Feedback from clinical trials, manufacturing, and real-world use all contribute to making better medicines for the future. Technology plays a vital role in both clinical trials and manufacturing. From electronic data capture in trials to automation in production lines, technology increases accuracy and efficiency. Advanced analytics help researchers and manufacturers make better decisions, ultimately leading to safer and more effective medicines. Clinical trials face many challenges, from recruiting enough participants to managing complex data. Delays can occur due to regulatory hurdles, unexpected side effects, or logistical issues. Overcoming these challenges requires careful planning, collaboration, and adaptability from everyone involved. Manufacturing medicines at scale also presents unique challenges. Ensuring consistent quality, managing supply chains, and meeting regulatory requirements all demand attention. Unexpected issues like equipment failures or shortages of raw materials can disrupt production. Manufacturers must be prepared to respond quickly to keep medicines available. Clinical trials and manufacturing often involve collaboration across countries and continents. International partnerships allow for larger, more diverse trials and help ensure that medicines are available worldwide. Sharing knowledge and resources accelerates innovation and improves global health outcomes. Modern clinical trials are increasingly patient-centric, meaning they focus on the needs and experiences of participants. This includes designing studies that are more convenient, using digital tools for remote monitoring, and involving patients in decision-making. Patient-centric approaches improve recruitment, retention, and overall trial quality. Decentralized clinical trials use technology to allow participants to take part from their own homes, reducing the need for travel. Remote monitoring, telemedicine, and digital data collection make trials more accessible and efficient. This approach is especially valuable during public health emergencies or for reaching underserved populations. Personalized medicine tailors treatments to individual patients based on their genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment. Clinical trials are adapting to test these targeted therapies, which can be more effective and have fewer side effects. Manufacturing personalized medicines requires flexible processes and advanced technology. Biologics are complex medicines made from living cells, while biosimilars are highly similar versions of approved biologics. Clinical trials for these products are rigorous, and manufacturing requires specialized facilities. Biologics and biosimilars are transforming treatment options for many diseases. Gene and cell therapies represent the cutting edge of medicine, offering potential cures for previously untreatable conditions. Clinical trials for these therapies are highly specialized, and manufacturing involves handling living cells with extreme care. These innovations are opening new frontiers in healthcare. Digital health tools such as wearable devices and mobile apps are increasingly integrated into clinical trials and manufacturing. These tools collect real-time data, improve patient engagement, and streamline processes. Digital integration is making research and production more efficient and responsive. Artificial intelligence (AI) is revolutionizing clinical trials by analyzing large datasets, predicting outcomes, and identifying patterns. AI helps researchers design better studies, select participants more effectively, and interpret results faster. In manufacturing, AI optimizes production and quality control. Blockchain technology is being explored to increase transparency and security in clinical trials and manufacturing. By creating immutable records, blockchain helps prevent data tampering and ensures traceability throughout the supply chain. This builds trust among participants, regulators, and consumers. Manufacturing medicines has an environmental impact, from energy use to waste generation. Companies are adopting greener practices such as reducing emissions, recycling materials, and using renewable energy. Sustainable manufacturing helps protect the environment while ensuring a reliable supply of medicines. Different countries have their own regulations for clinical trials and manufacturing. Companies must navigate a complex landscape of rules and standards to bring medicines to global markets. Harmonizing regulations and working with international agencies helps streamline the process and ensure safety everywhere. Protecting intellectual property (IP) is crucial for encouraging innovation in clinical trials and manufacturing. Patents and other IP rights give companies the incentive to invest in research and development. At the same time, balancing IP protection with access to medicines is an ongoing challenge. Public-private partnerships bring together government agencies, academic institutions, and private companies to advance clinical trials and manufacturing. These collaborations pool resources, share expertise, and accelerate the development of new treatments. Partnerships are especially important during public health emergencies. Developing new medicines is expensive, requiring significant funding and investment. Clinical trials and manufacturing facilities need financial support from governments, investors, and industry partners. Adequate funding ensures that promising treatments can move from the lab to the market. Skilled professionals are essential for successful clinical trials and manufacturing. Ongoing education and training keep staff up to date with the latest technologies, regulations, and best practices. Investing in people ensures high-quality research and production. Throughout every stage, patient safety is the top priority. From clinical trial design to manufacturing and distribution, every decision is made with the well-being of patients in mind. This commitment builds trust and ensures that new treatments truly benefit those who need them. The future of clinical trials is bright, with trends like adaptive trial designs, real-world evidence, and greater use of digital tools. These innovations promise to make trials faster, more efficient, and more inclusive. As technology advances, clinical trials will continue to evolve and improve. Manufacturing is also evolving with trends like continuous manufacturing, 3D printing, and increased automation. These advances make production more flexible, efficient, and responsive to demand. The future of medicine manufacturing is all about innovation and adaptability. We've journeyed through the entire process, from clinical trials to manufacturing and beyond. Each step is vital to ensuring that new medicines are safe, effective, and available to those who need them. The collaboration between researchers, manufacturers, regulators, and patients drives progress in healthcare. As science and technology advance, the future holds even greater promise for medical innovation.